Hey guys, today in this video, we're going to talk about how to create an invoice on Canva. So, Canva is actually this software that you can use to create poster, flyers, and invoices. So, to create an invoice on Canva, the first thing that you need to do is you have to open canva.com from your internet browser, and then you have to go here to templates. So you just have to create an account and log into Canva. It's very easy to do and it's totally free. So once when you're here, you can type invoice here. And when you type invoice, Canva is going to show you a bunch of templates that you can use to create your invoice. Now, some of them are free and some of them are not free. They're premium. You just have to pay to get them. But I would recommend you just go with the free ones. So let's select the invoice, which is very precise and very easy to make. We can go with this one. This one looks pretty decent. Here it's going to show you more options that you can use, but if you want to go with this one, we can just click right here. Now here you can see this is the template that we can use to make our own invoice. You can see there's this invoice number, invoice issued to the person, and then there's the date. You can just edit this template and then you can add your own information and then you're good to go. Let me just show you how you can do that. Let's remove this logo from here and let's change this invoice number to invoice 01 issued to uh, you can change the name as well, and then you can change the date as well. Okay, here we go, we're good to go. So here you've changed date and this invoice number. And if we come here, let me just zoom a bit. Here you can delete all of these because obviously you don't need these. This is just a template. You can just hold shift and click all of these to delete all these things that are here in this template. Here you go. I'm going to remove text as well and the grand total. So you can add any description of your own here that is, I would say, relevant to your company. And here's the payment info here, but let me just get here and add a uh, text box right here. Here you go. Now let me write management services. And then I'm going to add another text box, 1 or 01, and I'm going to put it here. And then I am going to add the price. For example, we did the management services for like $100. Okay, 100. You can see that I've put all these boxes aligned, so it looks more professional and better formatted. And the subtotal is also $100. Okay, we're good to go. So the grand total is $100 as well. And we are good to go. Let's remove this, and you can add your own signature and your designation in the company or your name right here. And here you can add the payment info, your bank name, your account detail, and the account name, and then you're good to go. This is how you create an invoice on Canva. You can change these fonts as well if you don't like it. Like you can reduce the font size or like the font type as well. If you don't like this font, there are a lot of fonts that you can use from Canva. It's up to you. Whichever font that you like, you can use it right away. So that was it. And once when you're done, you have to click share, and you can download this on your own system, or you can form a template link, and you can create a public view link as well. That's completely up to you, that if you want to download it, or you want to create a public view link, or you want to create a template link. That's completely up to you. So this was it. This was how you create an invoice on Canva. I hope this video was informative. Please do subscribe the channel and like the video. If you found this video informative, I'll be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.